In this video, let me teach you how to fix the Facebook cannot unfollow page. So if you're trying to unfollow a particular page that you follow within Facebook and you're having issues with it, in this video, let me show you how it is done. Now, once you're having issues, once you visit a particular page on Facebook and you're having issues on unfollowing them, then what you can then try out is go through the settings of the Facebook application and then unfollow there. So what I mean by that is what you do is simply head over to the hamburger menu on the top left, head over to settings, and within settings you'll be able to see the option called content preferences. Within content preferences, right here you'll be able to see the option called unfollow. This will bring up all of the pages that you follow, and from this section you can just tap on the unfollow button, and as soon as you do that, as you can see, the unfollow now has been made. Now if you're having issues with this as well, what you'll then need to do is make sure you uninstall Facebook from your device first of all, and then again re-download it. This ensures that any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue will also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.